pause. Zacc, what does the bison says? How about the horse? How about the elephant? How about the snake? How about the flies? How about the cat? How about the owl? How about the mouse? How about the zebra? How about the sheep? How about the pig? Wow. How about the dog? How about the cow? How about the lion? Lion. How about the tiger? How about the snake? How about the snake? How about the flies? Flies. How about the flies, love? How about the owl? Very good. Clap your hands. How about the car? Wow. How about the white car? How about the what? You like car?